Welcome to another informative video where we explore the groundbreaking impact of sensor technology in preventive maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to unravel how sensor technology is reshaping the landscape of preventive maintenance, taking it from reactive to predictive. You'll get insights into the benefits of integrating sensor technology, learn how to select the right sensors, and understand how to maximize their use in your maintenance and reliability operations. So, let's get started. For a long time, maintenance professionals were at the mercy of reactive maintenance. They were constantly on call, rushing from one emergency to another. Whether it was a machine failure on the factory floor, a malfunctioning HVAC system in an office building, or a plumbing issue in a restroom. But companies soon realized the high cost and stress of this approach and began to implement preventive maintenance plans. These plans aim to reduce both the cost and stress of working in a purely reactive manner. However, even though preventive maintenance tasks will always have their place in a comprehensive asset management program, the introduction of predictive maintenance sensor technologies are revolutionizing how preventive maintenance is handled. They are raising the performance bar even higher for critical assets. Traditional preventive maintenance has its limitations. It's typically based on a combination of time and usage-based metrics that dictate when tasks should be completed. For instance, certain pieces of equipment may require lubrication, inspection, or replacement after a set number of weeks, months, or years. Maintenance work orders may be triggered for other assets after they run for a certain number of hours or miles. While this approach does reduce the number of emergencies, these tasks are usually scheduled regardless of equipment condition. As a result, unneeded maintenance can increase costs while the potential for unexpected equipment failures still exists. This is where sensor technology comes into play. Sensors that can track things like temperature, humidity, and vibration have given manufacturing firms the ability to monitor critical equipment around the clock. These sensors collect equipment performance data every few minutes and send alerts to your maintenance team when acceptable ranges are violated. This real-time data collection and condition monitoring allows maintenance technicians to inspect or repair machines that are showing signs of potential breakdowns. Wireless technology and integration into an overall maintenance system allows this rich performance data to be centrally collected, remotely monitored, and efficiently processed. This not only allows the timely assignment of work orders, but today's sensor technology can be combined with sophisticated machine learning algorithms. These algorithms analyze sensor data and identify patterns, anomalies, and failure modes over time, helping to fuel smarter decisions about repair and replacement of machinery. Predictive sensors can improve asset reliability and efficiency by identifying early signs of degradation. This reduces downtime and improves overall equipment effectiveness. But how do you select and integrate the right sensors? First, prioritize those assets that will benefit most from sensor technology. Start by choosing one or two critical assets that are most important to your production line or business. For example, a food manufacturer must keep its products within certain temperature ranges for quality and safety. Temperature sensors that send alerts immediately when refrigerators or freezers fall out of these ranges can prevent the spoilage and loss of ingredients or final products, significantly reducing costs of such an event. Once you've selected the right sensors for the appropriate equipment, you'll want a centralized way to collect, store, and process this ongoing significant amount of data. Real-time data on your assets alone will not enhance your maintenance program. You'll need to convert that information into a usable form that fuels corrective action. Select the right kind of sensors for your equipment, taking into consideration the type of machinery, operating conditions, and environment. For instance, monitoring equipment on the shop floor requires different sensors than tracking the performance of an asset operating in a harsh outdoor environment. Look at sensor accuracy, durability, compatibility, and installation requirements. Lastly, tap into the expertise of a partner that can help you maximize the use of your sensor data. Provide the necessary ongoing training to your own maintenance team so they understand how to optimize and leverage your new sensor technologies effectively. In conclusion, predictive maintenance technologies such as sensors and associated machine learning and artificial intelligence will continue to evolve in the coming years. Used well, these technologies can help manufacturers continue down the path to real-time, condition-based maintenance programs. While reactive and preventive maintenance tasks will still have their place within a comprehensive system, sensors can make a big difference in improving performance, reducing downtime, and decreasing costs when it comes to critical asset operations management. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored how sensor technology is revolutionizing preventive maintenance, helping to shift from a reactive to a predictive approach. We've also discussed how to select and integrate the right sensors for your operation. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Your journey towards smarter, more efficient maintenance starts here.